Hi there guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a timeline in PowerPoint presentation. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. So firstly, go to Insert tab and insert a square. Then you have to go to Insert and then you have to insert another one. You have to insert a triangle. You have to adjust it into the bottom of the square and you have to increase its width. Yep, that's it. Now you have to move it upwards. Then you have to select both of them and then you have to merge them. Now you have to insert another square and now you have to go and paste them, copy and paste them. Then place them side by side. You have to paste about 6 of them. Now you have to insert another one. And then you have to go to change shape. And then you have to uh, adjust it from its corners like this. You have to make a rhombus out. You have to make a rhombus out of the shape. And then you have to again adjust it. Be sure to adjust the endpoints like I have done. Now what you have to do is move it towards the uppers and place it on the side of this first one shape, and then you have to decrease its size. Place it next to the first shape and then go to shape outline and click on no outline. And you have to change its color to yellow. So I'm using eyedropper right now. You can also make your own brand kit and then you can use it. From the texture and gradient, I'm gonna use this one. Now you have to decrease its width and you have to move it towards the shape. Then paste it and move the second square towards the first shape and adjust both of them. Now move the second square towards the left side of the slide and then place the pasted second shape next to the second square. Now you have to merge both of the shapes, paste them, and then adjust them. Now paste again and then adjust it next to the third one. Now again, paste it about fifth time and then place it next to the fourth one. Paste it a sixth time, and now I'm gonna change first one's color and the second one's color. You have to ungroup all of them and then change the color of every single square. As I have said before, you can make yourself a blanket and then use the eyedropper as well. So this is how you do it. Firstly, you have to select every single of the square, go to shape format, remove its outline, and then give it a different color. So I have used purple, green, pink, blue, yellow, pink. And now I'm gonna merge all of them, and in presets, go to preset option. In the shape effects option, go to presets and then click on this option to give the shape an effect. So as you can see, there are plenty of shape effects that you can choose. You can also use 3D reflections. So you have to click on this one, 3D reflection. That's it. Again, go to process and click on this one. And then you have to select all the shapes. Yep, all the shapes, and then you're gonna merge them. So this shape, yeah, I'm gonna change this shape's color because yellow is going to be mixed with the yellow ribbon. Now again, we're gonna go to gradient, and I'm gonna give it a gradient angle. This is how you do it. Select all of the squares, and then you have to go to the gradient, and then you have to give them a common gradient angle. Now select every one of the shape, and then you have to merge them. Right click and then group, and then click on group. So this is how to make a ribbon. Now we have to make another shape. We're gonna add some text, which is gonna be the content of the timeline. It's gonna show dates, and it's gonna show the text of what happened on that particular date. You have to insert an arrow, then you have to increase its width, and you have to place it next to this last yellow shape. Also increase its length, select it, and then change its color. Remove its outline and change its color to the same yellow that you have used in the in-between shapes. Also change its gradient as the same of the in-between shapes. Now copy the text and then paste it and then place it in under or on top of each of the text and the shape. This is how you do it. Now you have to go and paste the text about 6 times. Yup, 6 times. Copy, then paste, then copy, then paste. So I have pasted all of the tags. Now you're gonna paste the first shape and then you're gonna paste it again. You have to rotate it like this and then you have to place it next to side by side and then you have to change the color of one of them. So I have changed the color of one of them to blue and I have placed it onto the left top corner of the slide and the right bottom corner of the slide. Now I have added the text and now I'm gonna go and give the animations. You have to give this reel option and wipe option. You can also change the direction of the appearance in and out of the animation of the text. So I'm giving it from left to right. Give the animation to each of the text and the shape. So I have given the animations and this is the final result of the video. Be sure to like the video and subscribe my channel.